That Lana there when I say come check you up at the farm more while.
And the same Lana they may attack. That Lana, yeah. You don't know, say one thing go down on a vicious juice bar. And that's how it kick off. After I go to Obama and get locked up because of the thing we go on with Chase. I show you the vibe they say. You get locked up you know.
Judge.
Yeah man. They have him for a little bit now because him go jump back right now the same thing. So it's like the day I leave the lockup, I'm going at the juice bar and Lana did for come link me. So she give me a call and I tell her say, I go back up at the farm, go get some things for her, but me go down at the juice bar and never know say. If you get say a fear ends to you know. So she forward at the juice bar now and link me. I mean they don't tell Omega say she fi circle the bar too.
Oh boy.
And the two of them buck up so you don't know say from them buck up it just fuck up.
So when you say it get grimy?
Grime is an understatement. People don't start get out of the man place, brother. Cause Omega go on away and Lana go on away and because of that now, I'm gonna link her and all the reason with her and I tell her, say yo, Lana not that girl there, you know. Lana is a girl where we can all the reason with her and sit down with her, we in a business. But it's like no she forward up here so I'm just we don't know star.
Numbers.
Still not
Numbers. Make me tell you something. You see with that Lana there and the equation of the juice bar on a vicious. I can't say I totally blame Omega for really be worried because both the juice bar and Lana packing a punch.
and Kyng man and that the two of them are packing up. I punch them nearly punch it out down there you know. But me not lie to you my brother. You see, oh Omega move now, it kinda puzzle me because she move kinda unstable. Cause you see, when she forward up here the other day, I try reason it out with her, you know. And the way she start move star is like it throw me off. And that is the thing where Lana is a woman who when I sit down and reason with her, it's a different vibe I get from her. And how Omega move now is like, shall I make some little move I'm doing too like brother cause you see around her yard, she start a little shop thing around her yard. And she not said nothing to me about it. I find out say she take a loan from some brother. And I tell him say man give her loan and she have to go use that and members when me do and me not in the tit for tat thing star. Saying Lana is a woman who I respect still and a business we are dealing with. Me not say she no, you don't know say she powerful and set a wheel.
Yeah.
And as a man you have to sometimes breathe but yo.
But on a serious note though, hopefully we can, smooth things out, but we not have a reoccurrence of that unpleasant shit. You see me?
Believe when I tell you, we never have that conversation here again. You get to me, I say, come in, I give her a talk, and I don't want you to turn up around here unannounced, because now it's a business, and it's a business where I run for too general, and we have to make sure so we keep the levels on a certain level.
Well, maybe the fact that she have her business around, maybe kind of keep her out of trouble per se for a minute. I don't know if it would be a good idea if I did for all our reason and I help her understand say Ping being here is our choice. You understand? And you are just here to supervise her day-to-day handling of the thing.
You talk about all Pim. Kyng man, all Pim should come up here and pray. Kinda know say, the little general come link me, whisper. And me say, Pim a give him a vibe and me all laugh about it. The woman come in and see me and Pim a all a reasoning and a Pim she when me out the door. Omega tell me say she was stripped naked and go and bad up here me and say, you realize over there, this can't go on you know. So I tell you, King man, never beg you, all a reason with that because maybe if you talk to her, because right now I don't even know where this is going on. I tell you the truth.
Cha. At this it reach? Strip naked? Nah, man. That's all I reason in my make. I make sure know say that when she attack that is not who she is. You hear that? That is not who she is.
Really?
And I don't want she go even entertain them talk.
I tell you say sometimes I feel like put on one for that but is it true me rate on me and I'm gonna watch it out here. But she give me a vibes brother. You see when you look on her, I know say generally I'm forward to me. Ones and ones.
Kyng man.
Every
You ever something I see?
one king. Yeah. Then come and chat with my drop at you.
On them alright?
Kyng, leave your watch.
West side, I get numbers.
Oh,
I'm serious, man.
Big up yourself, numbers.
Listen.
Numbers, give me a minute.
No, watch your style now. We'll step outside now. I'm going to go on with a reason because it kind of look kind of serious still. Don't have the man. If the man them want something to drink, just let me know, yeah?
Yeah.
There, man.
As a matter of fact, do that. Can I get something for you?
Alright, what are the drink?
Yeah.
Right away.
Yeah, check.
Alright.
Right.
Take me a cup.
What I drop at them?
What I drop at it. Alright.
All numbers are most shit. Numbers, you alright?
Yeah, man. I'm good, man. Yeah. So, King man.
Yeah, man.
How time do it?
Yeah, man.
Anything you want to give me, just
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Just say less.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.